Hello and welcome back to the Dubai Science Park show. I am Dr. Sheen, your host, and today we are live from the World Health Expo live in Dubai. And my guest today is here to talk to us a little bit about how AI is changing healthcare. Please join me in welcoming Kseniya. How are you?
I'm good. Thank you so much for inviting me to talk. It's a busy day here at the Dubai Science Park stand, but I'm always grateful to have a conversation about AI in healthcare.
Okay, tell us, what do you do?
Sure. I'm part of eMed Support Systems. It's a health tech startup, very innovative thing. And we have different projects in AI in healthcare. We have software as a medical device solutions and also non-software as a medical device solutions for wider use. And basically, we analyze clinical data and help clinics and healthcare providers in general to deal with these data chaos, help them with electronic health records, transform it into something that they can analyze, understand, and make decisions based on it. And we use AI for sure for that because it's an innovative tool that helps now to deal with very different things nowadays.
Amazing. And how are you part of the Dubai Science Park? Tell us a little bit.
Sure. We are part of In5 Science, and it's a great incubator for startups, specifically in science section. And we have a trade license under Dubai Science Park, and also we base in a co-working space there. And for us, it has been a great experience to be part of this community, and I think a major driver of our business as well.
Oh, wow, amazing. So tell us a little bit about the WHX. I just arrived, but how has the morning been?
I think it was great. It's the first year at this new location, so everyone is still getting used to that and trying to explore. And we are taking this chance to showcase the solution while everyone is wandering around and seeing for something. And I guess that Dubai Science Park has a great location here in this expo. And I think it's going to be great to go to something new. As you see, I work in AI, so I like changes and innovation. So I think that moving expo to a new location would be great.
So, when we talk about AI in healthcare, I feel like a lot of people don't have a lot of trust when it comes to what does that mean. But how would you convince them that AI is actually good for the healthcare?
Wow, this is a controversial question actually, because we just here at Dubai Science Park, we had a panel now, and one of the speakers were sharing that sometimes patients have too much trust, like they over trust to AI, and people can use ChatGPT for any questions regarding health and think that it is 100% correct information. But some people are more conservative and they are staying away from these tools. So it is so different with people. I believe it can be just connected to the character itself. And I think that we just need to live within a framework that we have pretty established in healthcare. We already have a framework for different medical devices and other innovations that are introduced into clinical practice. For example, glucose monitors or anything like people use for their health. We have a specific journey of the product before it is introduced to clinical practice. It should be validated in some study or validated in some trial, and then maybe even registered with FDA or ED here in the UAE. So I believe we just need to stick to that and don't, sometimes we really want to use a new tool as fast as we can because it really can help to save lives, for example. But to be it reliable, transparent, and trustworthy, we need to be inside of this framework and the guidelines that we have in healthcare. So it will be, we have more trust from patients and clinicians as well, because they need to buy in the new tools to start using them.
No, you're right. Everyone part of the ecosystem needs to be part of the journey in order for it to succeed. But one thing I seem to notice is that Dubai is one of the countries that are leading the way with adoption of AI in healthcare, and especially looking towards the future. What do you think Dubai is doing right when it comes to thinking ahead for the future of healthcare?
It's a great question. I think Dubai is doing so many things right. So first of all, from the development to approval of different tools and support of them. So first of all, Dubai is developing some grant systems, introducing new grants for innovation and AI specifically, like for example, Dubai Future Foundation. They have a lot of projects in that. This is a Without the investment, the innovation is not going to happen because really unfortunately it is needed. Second thing is, I think the connection with education and universities and clinical research, because when you have a great idea and you are a technician or entrepreneur, if it's a healthcare field, you need to validate it into clinical practice and find scientists and clinicians who are willing to test this solution. And Dubai is also supporting this with the universities and grants as well. And also on a regulatory level and laws, that Dubai is leading many innovations and trying to be a pioneer in lawmaking in AI. And it is very important. I think for us as a player on this market was very interesting to see the introduction of AI seal. It is a badge and tier level for different AI companies, not only in healthcare. And I'm pretty sure that it is a rare thing and not so many countries have introduced something like that on a governmental level when they already on this early stage of AI development worldwide, they can stratify them by risk of implementation and can assess eligibility, transparency of this solution, and support all the players in understanding how to apply these tools in the real practice. So I believe not only in lawmaking, but also support in financial segment. It's something that Dubai is definitely doing right.
Absolutely. And I think another thing is Dubai is always hosting these kind of summits here where you have global and local collaborations that get to happen very organically. What do you think is the role of global and local collaboration when it comes to advancing healthcare?
Yes, that's amazing for AI actually, because I think now without global collaboration between different countries and different private companies that are also global, it is hard to build something so quick and maybe the best version of some solution, because many AI solutions need to host on servers, cloud-based servers. They need GPUs, and this is something that everyone is looking for now. And without these cross-border discussions and collaborations, without this effort of the country bringing in new players from abroad, we will struggle with infrastructure. But all these huge global vendors that are coming, they are creating infrastructure, IT infrastructure here, which helps us to deploy solutions faster, quicker, simpler, and for sure cheaper. So it is very important to create this dialogue between different sectors.
I love this. And if you are looking to the future now, what are you most excited about when it comes to how AI and healthcare are going to work together?
Oh, I think I am very excited in general about AI in healthcare. And I believe it is one of the fields where we will see the hugest impact of AI, because we see the faster drugs development with drug discovery, features of AI. We see how we can enhance preventive care. And also in the panel, they were talking about the chronic disease, which is now the major problem of humanity.
Yeah.
Not like before, where we had acute conditions, someone is already have many symptoms and we need to do something with the patients so they don't die. Now we have these chronic conditions that last for years and years, lifetime thing. And I'm really looking forward to AI in healthcare to make it more accessible to people, healthcare, to make it with a better quality of care. And I hope it will help us save more lives and make people healthier on a much wilder scale that we can do it now. So this is my belief and hopes regarding the AI.
Wow, well, Kseniya, good luck on this journey. You have a beautiful mission of trying to help everyone live longer and better lives. Thank you so much for being with us today.
Thank you so much for the questions. Thank you.